Pimples on different parts of your face have been linked to various superstitions, particularly the belief that a pimple on the nose signifies a crush, especially among teenagers who find this myth adds excitement to their love lives. However, scientific evidence doesn't support the idea of love pimples. Instead, traditional practices like face mapping suggest that acne's location can reflect underlying health issues, with forehead and nose pimples often indicating hormonal changes or digestive problems. Although stress from romantic feelings can trigger breakouts, acne is primarily caused by factors such as hormones, diet, and hygiene. Understanding the correlation between pimple locations and potential health issues can help in managing breakouts, with dermatologists recommending lifestyle changes and specific skincare treatments for clearer skin.